Hey guys, I just wanted to follow up on my plowing snow with a lawn tractor video. For those who might have not watched it, this is my 2005 John Deere G110 lawn tractor, and in the previous video there was only about 4 to 6 inches of snow, but overnight we got around 12 to 14 inches and drifts that are much higher. Moving the van out of the way definitely wasn't happening. I'm not gonna lie, the first pass was a bit of a pain because there was a large drift in the front of the garage. But once that was cleared, it was off to the races. Well guys, hopefully this video helped clear up any questions that you may have had about plowing snow with a lawn tractor. And remember, your experiences may differ based on how heavy or wet the snow is, your model of lawn tractor, and if you're plowing up or downhill. But I do have to say, I'm pretty impressed with this 16-year-old John Deere. Take care, and thanks for watching.